Gates PCM Construction Limited is one of Singapore's elite railway specialists, providing first-class service in the fields of new build track works, railway maintenance works, and the supply of specialised track tools and equipment. Since its inception in the year 2000, Gates PCM Construction Limited has delivered a number of key railway projects and is currently working on more major railway projects which will shape the future of Singapore's railway network. In recent years, they have also expanded their scope of services to include track maintenance and repair. As leading experts in Singapore's railway construction industry, Gates PCM Construction Limited has forged many key partnerships with local government agencies like the Land Transport Authority, railway operators SMRT and SBST, as well as major foreign contractors that choose to build here. Beyond developing trusted relationships with clients, the Gates PCM management has also worked equally hard at gaining the company accreditations and reputable recognitions, resulting in the company winning many prestigious national and regional awards. However, most do not know that this success story of Gates PCM Construction Limited has its genesis with the rise of its founder and chairman, Mr. Krishna.
Uncle Krishna was the sixth child in a family of 10 children. It was a simple family. His father, my granddad, owned a very small cow farm in kampung days. In the 60s and 70s, Uncle Krishna used to help out the cow farm together with his siblings while attending school. However, despite his humble beginnings, Uncle Krishna dared to dream. He wanted to become an entrepreneur. He wanted to break away from this working class lifestyle. At this time, his two elder brothers were working in the construction industry. Uncle Krishna used to visit them on the sites and realize the scope that the construction industry had in Singapore. Uncle Krishna believed that venturing into this industry would be the right move for his dream. He approached his brother's boss to award him a subcontract for a small project. The boss initially tested Uncle Krishna, offered him a job as a piling supervisor for a month to prove his worth. Uncle Krishna proved his capability and was awarded his intended subcontract. And that was how Uncle Krishna's first company, Denwick Piling Civil Engineering Private Limited, was born.
Denwick Piling and Civil Engineering Private Limited went on to reach great heights by securing multiple contracts in Singapore for iconic projects like Suntec City, Raffles City and Liang Court Tower. Denwick's local successes also gave it the opportunity to enter regional markets in Malaysia and Sri Lanka, where it gained recognition and acclaim for its efficiency. However, great adversity would hit Denwick in the form of the Asian financial crisis of 1997, which sent the entire construction industry into recession. With Mr. Krishna already in his 40s by this time, the crisis served as the obstacle that would define his career. Mr. Krishna sourced for alternate industries which held promise for the future. That was when the railway industry caught his eye, and he decided to follow up on his interest with thorough research on the industry and intense discussions with the industry experts. Having gained the relevant knowledge and information about the industry, Mr. Krishna launched Gates PCM Construction Limited in 2000. After 15 years of hard work and planning, Gates PCM Construction Limited has developed its expertise to perform a plethora of railway works, including slab track construction, ballasted track construction, plinth construction, turnout installation, installation of conductor rails and other services for system-wide contractors. The company also handles track rehabilitation projects, conversion of track gauges, bridge lifting and long string railway welding using flash butt welding plant. The company has been actively participating in island-wide track maintenance projects. To date, the company has replaced over 17,000 timber sleepers, 1,000 rail pieces, and even concrete turnout bearers. Its continued commitment to maintenance works is showcased by its recent purchase of railroad excavators, RRVs, to meet the demand of local maintenance works. Also, the company has been bringing in highly experienced and qualified personnel from around the world to further bolster the organization's drive to reach the next level of success in the railway industry.
Gates PCM Construction Limited has been a successful enterprise thus far due to the rules and regulations that we have set for ourselves and the high level of discipline that we have enforced in our company. This has led us to correct key decision making and made us work to the best of our capabilities. The top management at Gates PCM share the same vision about the end result of each project and about the long-term future of the company. This vision is then communicated and cultivated into the minds of our employees. Together with a strong discipline that drives our workforce, this communication ensures that the company is able to deliver the best service delivery available anywhere. At the same time, we are very meticulous in our approach towards our customers. We carefully take note of each of their demands and ensure that each of their demands is met on time and with quality. This is our secret to exceeding the expectations of our customers.
Today, Gates PCM Construction Limited hires over 700 employees, most of whom make up the experienced and skilled workforce that engages in on-site works. The company cares for all its employees through its Gates family ideology. Through the pervading of this family culture through the organisation, employees have a greater sense of belonging to the company, and the management cares for the employee welfare with utmost priority. Due to the incorporation of this culture, the work environment at Gates is one of friendliness and helpfulness, which ensures that problems are solved efficiently. In turn, the Gates family members always work together in unity and are committed to the growth of the company. They display this commitment by producing quality output and high standards of work in order to complete all tasks and projects on time, while maintaining a high standard of professionalism. Beyond emerging as a successful enterprise, Gates PCM Construction Limited has also proven that it is an organisation which cares for the community. Over the years, its active commitment to corporate social responsibility has made a positive impact on the environment and the less fortunate in society. One of these efforts was the unprecedented park preservation project at East Coast Park in late 2014. This was Singapore's first ever park cleanup by a non-MNC involving mostly foreign employees. The large-scale environmental effort involved 330 employees from the company, clearing up an area stretching 7 kilometers long.
The company is clear about the direction ahead for us. We not only wish to remain the local leader in the railway industry, but also emerge as the leader in the regional market. We have already laid out the steps towards this long-term goal of ours. Gates PCM Construction Limited recently acquired a Malaysian company. Gates PCM Construction Sdn Bhd is a promising venture for us. What is interesting about this acquisition is that we've not limited ourselves to the railway industry. In fact, Gates PCM Construction Sdn Bhd deals with infrastructure and telecommunications projects as well as railway projects. We are very hopeful of being successful in a growing nation like Malaysia. We aim to replicate this business model in Thailand in the immediate future. We are also in the midst of studying markets such as Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Myanmar. In terms of Singapore, we've emerged as the local leader in building new tracks as well as railway maintenance. We aim to further increase this market share. Of course, all this will not be possible without the tireless work commitment and dedication of all our staff. Recognizing every employee as part of the Gates family, we will continue to promote organic growth within the organization, allowing opportunities for the Gates family members to rise through the ranks.
Looking towards the future, Gates PCM Construction is well positioned to maintain its status as the leader within the Singaporean railway construction industry, due to its commitment to technological advancement and innovation. Despite the present-day successes, neither Gates PCM nor its founder Mr. Krishna have forgotten the path that led to these successes. Inspired by each obstacle, hurdle and crisis that the company has overcome, Gates PCM Construction Limited is confident of reaching its ultimate goal of becoming the regional market leader in the railway industry.
Gates PCM. We want to do things right and once. Once we do something in right, and it's always there. So it has to be planned and built. This company was started over 30 years ago as a piling and civil engineering company. Then I found that roads has been built, the flyovers has been built, everything is built, but the metro lines needed to be built in future for Singapore. So I thought that could be the right angle for me to venture into, and I convert my business into track work. Today, we have brought up the company very well in the new build as well as the maintenance in track works.
We are doing a lot of track work projects, starting from DTL until we are doing the DTL3 with Alstom. And we ourselves do our own projects. Basically, we are doing the maintenance project with SMRT and the work train project with LTA.
This year, we are planning a slightly bigger structure that not only we are going to do in Singapore, but we are going to move to the Asia countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia.
Gates Gives. Today we have about 330 Gates PCM construction workers that actually have come down to East Coast Park, and they're actually going to clean up quite a wide range of areas in East Coast Park, from Area B, which is near Big Splash, all the way till Area F, which is actually near the National Sailing Centre. So that's actually about a 7-kilometre stretch with 330 workers spread out throughout the entire area, and they're cleaning up all the greenery, including leaves and litter and so on. They were given a small briefing at the start of it. Our CEO and chairman spoke. I gave them a small speech as well, tried to rouse up the crowd and their enthusiasm. And then we actually went on, gave them some warm-up exercises. And then a water parade as well, so that they're all fit and ready to actually go forth and do this work. It's a 3-hour span, so it's not exactly very easy for them to actually carry out the task, but they're willing, able, and after this morning's activity, they're very motivated to actually go on and do this task, and that's evident by what we can see all around us today.
Is a way of giving back to society. The last few years we have been doing charity work. Last year we did give a donation to Swami Homes. This year we thought of doing something different, right, on a larger scale.
Today, Gates would like to actually encourage everyone, especially in the corporate world, to also give back to the community by preserving the beauty of our parks.
So we are taking our own staffs. We also have foreign workers, so we want to project them a different perspective.
So this company have done a good job, so they can encourage their workers to come and clean the area.
We kickstart some 3 months ago, and then first trying to see whether they will come forward to do this. After knowing from their supervisors that they are prepared to come forward, then we start the entire program, and we planned. It's not easy to gather such a big crowd here.
Honoured to be here and to see all level of our staff to be working together.
Gates PCM on track always.